Hello everyone, and today I'll show you how to set up Face Unlock on your Google Pixel 9. So in order to do that, go to your settings. Now scroll down to your privacy and security right here. Now press set screen lock. So if you don't have your PIN code set, you won't be able to set up a screen lock. So first of all, let's set up our PIN code. So press PIN. Now enter your digits, press confirm. All right, so adjusted. What do you want your lock screen to show? Now here, scroll down to device unlock and select fingerprint and face unlock. Enter your PIN. All right, select face unlock, press I agree. And now simply follow the simple instructions on your screen. It took me something about 15 seconds, so really easy process. When you're good to go, press done. Now we've got a few more options. For example, requires eyes to be open. If it's on, you'll need your eyes to be open to open up the screen. Always require confirmation, skip lock screen and everything. So I'll keep it as it is. Let's go back and let's try it out. So here's our phone locked. Simply hold it to your screen, and as you see on this icon, it's unlocked already. So I hope this video was helpful. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day.